Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Apple features to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to put your Apple Watch into low power mode in 2025. If you've ever found your watch dying midday, this feature is a game changer. It helps extend battery life by limiting background activities, like the always-on display and certain app functions, without sacrificing too much usability. First things first, ensure your Apple Watch is updated to the latest software, always a good idea for optimal performance. To get started, wake up your Apple Watch and unlock it with your passcode or biometric authentication. Now, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the Control Center. It's that quick access menu with all your essential toggles. Once you're in the Control Center, look for the battery icon in the top corner. It's usually represented by a percentage or a battery symbol. Tap on it, and you'll see a few options pop up. There, you'll find the low power mode toggle. Simply tap it to enable the mode. Your watch might vibrate or show a confirmation message, indicating that it's now in low power mode. After activating it, you might notice some changes, like a dimmer screen or reduced heart rate monitoring in the background. That's normal. It's all about conserving power. To verify it's on, you can head to the Settings app on your watch, scroll to Battery, and check the status there. A few pro tips. Use low power mode when you're low on juice and away from a charger, but remember to turn it off when you're back to normal use for full features. If you're managing this from your iPhone, open the Watch app, go to the My Watch tab, select General, and then Battery to toggle it there. It's synced across devices. There you have it. Putting your Apple Watch on low power mode is straightforward and can save you in a pinch. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay charged and tech savvy.